Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ye bro sangut yara eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah pada Friday. Kam no ke cing cencar am. Tip show kan long kom na lada. Yap sama na mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda beke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Menteri lang ba ka jala ukan rak kisang ma haka arpinyo trik jemang aja pun riau ulaong pakasarkar jong u kala Pynsangeh lut ya Baroh ki Jingkyrpad bathamai panlet Shabari pada kaju kapor wat ma uru ula Pynsangeh no ki Jingleit jingo Shabari kum ka Jingburom ya ka Jingkyrpad menteri lang ba adu kari Narendra Modi panlet Kunai bat ban ompeluk kesan hakikam le Jingleit Shabar kari haba Pynsangeh lo ka Jingleit Shabari neki official trip usang ma ula Pynsangeh bagi program kita beladap menjur lupa nadu kendat benai mensyua bagi dairu ki ba jing menjur tak sarkar pedang.
So number one, the trips that were cleared politically as well as financially before the Prime Minister's announcement, those programs went through because as you know programs take about 3 months, 4 months, sometimes 6 months to prepare. So these are programs that were already there in the pipeline, and hence some of the teams are outside and they have gone because the process was done, the bookings were made, the expenditures were incurred, and as I said, this political clearances were given by centre also, and this process happened. So post Prime Minister's announcement, any new proposals that are coming in for any kind of a trip outside are not being entertained, and in fact I have personally put on hold every single trip outside, and though we have not come up with any notification, but I am very clear that we have to go as per Prime Minister's direction, and this is in the larger interest, as I said, of the nation, and therefore we have, as I said, I have stopped all the foreign trips in the past post Prime Minister's announcement. The ones before that, as I said, have been cleared, so those obviously went through because already the process was already finalized. But after his announcement, any new proposal that has come for any kind of a foreign trip has been put on hold.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our right, our future.